whole stack, bitch. 100 eating everything up on my plate, but you ain't getting nothing. Bitches stuck they mad as fuck, cause when they look at my you running. Fuck a lap with layers ahead, the bitches they need to push.
Ooh, y'all, tonight we having creamy, cheesy scalloped potatoes, baby. Ain't nothing from the box over here. We finna blaze up and cook. Let's go. Get your potatoes, thinly slice them, set them to the side. Then you gonna cook you some bacon. Chop that up and set it to the side as well. Get you a skillet and melt you some butter. This gonna be for your roux, for your cheese sauce. It really ain't no other way. So add your flour to your melted butter. Whisk vigorously, baby, because we don't want no lumps. We need it smooth as hell. Add your milk. Don't let your roux get too dark. And baby, shred your own cheese. That other shit don't melt. Put everything in the pan. Put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. Throw you some bacon on top. Plate this thing up. Oh, everybody in the house finna be in there looking at you. So good. The full recipe in the description. Y'all make this. Throw away them box potatoes you got in there. Have this for dinner. Like, comment, subscribe. Baby, this shit was so good. So damn good. So rich. So creamy. Yes.